Hey, what's up? My name is Akiel, and this is In the Garage, where we're here to talk about my sport front wheel drive build and discuss my motor build and stuff like that. Well, this project right here is my sport front wheel drive build. Um, I've been working on a car for perhaps about six months now. Yeah, I've had it for about a year or so. I got the cage installed into it, and then from that point on, I started to do the body work. Did a little cosmetic shaving on the engine bay. Painted the roll cage, the inside. Um, Fabricated all the turbo kit and intercooler. We did majority of the stuff already. Installed a carbon fiber roof on it, and certain altercations to a few other things, to make it look as good as well we want it to perform.
Tell us what you expected this car to come out and, what the first competition would be. And
Where the car should be out, with the whole COVID thing, which, kind of gave me a lot of time to step up and build a car at a faster time. And, but now, it's still a little weight on a few things, to finish it up. But it should be done, within the next month or so. We should be installing the motor, in a few. My teammate Darnell Paul, Mr. Underedge, he builds the motor and the tranny, stuff like that. Yeah. So we're gonna have, video coverage of that stuff, in a few. So yeah. So it should be done within, probably about another month, and then we get some testing in and go from there.
how much horsepower are we looking at?
Well, it's running
A
the
little bit about the engine and how much horsepower are we looking at?
well, it's the typical sport front wheel drive motor, aluminum rods, and the good stuff, and we're running a sheepy manifold with a precision 6785. It's actually a Gen 2, and we're looking to make around the 1,000 mark, and then try to dial the car in and go from there.
All right, I see some of your engine parts. It looked like it did some cosmetic work paint-wise. So you want to show that to anybody, or
Yeah, I mean,
how it was done and where it was done?
yeah, I actually painted the car myself, did everything. As much as that, I was able to control what I wanted to do, and the vision that I was going for. As much as I want my car, to perform, I would like for it to have a certain look to it. I think I've accomplished that. I'm pretty happy. The guys at Miami Powder, they hooked me up and did a great job on the, the ceramic coating on the manifold, dump tubes, and stuff like that. I actually did the turbo and the intercooler and a lot of stuff. So I'll be showcasing a lot of that in a shortly time also.
Anything else you want to add?
That's it. The car's coming out good, and much appreciate to everyone that has helped me so far. With the build. From little things. Minor stuff. Yeah. That's about it.
I saw the paint job on this car with all the parts on completed. Are you sure you want to take this to the track, or you want to take it to the showroom?
Nah, it's all out race car, but we do take the time to, for image and everything, which is very important. So, I went ahead and, it's hard to, not do it nice if you're gonna do it. Like, I don't feel like, I went overboard. I just, try to make it as nice as possible, with me doing all the work and stuff like that, so yeah, plus, everybody that plays a role in the part of the car, as, doing a good job on everything, so, might as well, just get the body right, it was, it took some work. We had some, rust and, a few little details that we had to go over and take the extra time to go ahead and, and fix that. But it was all worth it in the end. And I think it's, the project came out very well. I'm happy with it, so yeah, it's a nice car. I like it. The vision came together, and it's a great feeling, seeing that. So, we just go from the part where, it performs, and then, everything, should be good.
So if somebody wants to build something like this from scratch like you did, tell us like some of the preparation, the time.
I mean,
the effort,
It takes a lot, and I think, once if you're the type of person who, you like to do stuff yourself, there's a lot of information out there. As long as you know what you're looking for, and you're hands-on, you can get it done. You just gotta. It takes a lot of time, a lot of patience, and just put the research in before you go ahead and make the move. But it can be done, and you can do it. And just with a help from people, wherever, your friends, family, whoever, and it makes it great. When you have people around you to help you, the time go by much, without you even realizing that, you put a lot of work into it, because that's what it's all about: building a car, building memories, and building relations at the same time. So, it's doing what we love.
Tell us a little bit about inside the race world for people who really don't know and who probably didn't see and want to know, okay, why put so much time and effort into this car? Tell us about it as a hobby for people who like it and, who want to watch and what they expect and stuff like that.
I mean, like, it's the whole Honda thing, has been part of my lifestyle for as long as I can remember, before I even had my license. I've had multiple cars, pretty much, every body style from the 89 to the 2000s, and, different motors, and blowing stuff up and breaking, and, continuing, and, just going at it. Because actually, prior to this car, I was building another car, and then, I kind of scratched that project because, I kind of stepped away from building it for a while. But, for the love, you're always going to come back to it if it's, you really love it. And, I really love it. No matter, even I wasn't always into the driver's seat for a while, but, I've always been around, going to the tracks, staying on, in tune with everything and everybody and what's going on, and, how everybody's doing. So, yeah, that's it.
Subscribe and give us lots of thumbs up, and check out our video.